Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, modules are used to organize code into reusable and organized components. When you import a module into your script, you can access the classes, functions, and variables defined in that module. However, it's essential to understand how the scope works for imported classes in Python. This tutorial will explain the scope rules for imported classes with code examples to illustrate the concepts. Before we dive into the scope for imported classes, let's review how to import modules in Python. You can use the import statement to bring in classes and other objects from external modules. Once you've imported a module or specific class, you can access its contents using notation. For example, Python has specific rules for the scope of imported classes. Let's illustrate the scope for imported classes with a code example. In this example, we have a module geometry.py that defines a circle class. In our main.py script, we import the circle class and create an instance of it. We then access the class's attributes and methods using notation. In Python, the scope for imported classes is determined by the module or script that imported them. You can access imported classes, methods, and attributes by using notation and the full path to the imported module and class. Understanding the scope rules for imported classes is essential for building organized and modular Python programs. ChatGPT.